Hello everyone, welcome to Codecrafters Lab. So today we will do the pattern 2 from the TUF Plus. So it is like we have given a integer n and we want to draw a pattern like this. So basically it's a incremental thing and we have to like last row will contain the n number of asterisks and decrementing by one in the top order. So let's try to understand this, like how we can achieve this particular pattern. Yeah. So basically we will need a for loop here for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So, and then let's say if we have done the SOP here, it will be like what it will print. It will print, let's say n equal to n equal to 4. So what it will print, star star star, 4 stars in a row. That's it. Okay. But what we want the incremental order. So first try to break the problem. I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus we have done. Okay. In this case, what it will do? It will do this way. And in previous problem, what we did is like doing the system.out.println to break this pattern into, say, like this, star, 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 star. But now what we want? We want star, 2 star, 3 star, and 4 star. So here, number of rows going to be the same. Number of rows going to be same. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the columns going to be different. In first iteration, it is going to be, we want to print only one row. In second iteration, we want to print 2 stars in a row. In third iteration, we want to print 3 stars in a row. And in fourth iteration, we want to print 4 stars in a row. So basically, our we want to tweak the columns here, and rows for loop going to be the same. So how we want to tweak the inner for loop? So that is the question. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the way. So what we can do, let's say if we, and mainly in for loop, tweaking is mainly based on this particular condition. This is the condition where you have to play. So it is I is less than n. That means every time it comes here, we are printing it for the 4 times. N is equal to 4. So we are printing it for. But we want to tweak this particular condition. So let's say if we do, it is j. Sorry for the correction, but yeah, it is j. So basically, we want to tweak this condition. If we do j is less than I, so basically j is less than I. So in the first iteration, what will happen is like I equal to 0, okay, and j equal to 0, I is less than n, 2 and 4. So and j is less than I. If j is less than equal to. So first time it will come inside, it will print 1 star. Okay, and next time j will become 1. Once j become 1, it is not less than I. So it will break the for loop, it will come to the next line. Then again, I will become also 1. Once I become 1, j will become 0 for the first time, and j is less than 1. Yes, it is. It will print 1 star. J will become 1 again. Here it will increment, and j is less than equal to 1. Yes, it is true. It will print the second star. It will come out of the loop. It will point to the next line. Then again, I will become your 2, and j will become your 0. So j I is less than n. It is true. It is 4. 2 is less than 4. 2. J equal to 0. J is less than 0 is less than 2. Yes. It will print first star, and j will become 1 again. J will become 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes, it is. It will print another star here, and it will become 2. 2 is less than equal to 2. Yes, it is 2. It will print third star, and j will become your 3. J will become your 3. So j will become your 3. 3 is greater less than 2. This condition will fail, and we will come to the next line. Again, I will become 3 here. I will become 3, and j will become 0. So I is less than n, 4, less than 4i. Yes, it is true. It will come inside. J is 0 is less than 3. Yes, it is true. It will be in first star. It will become 1. It will print second star. It will again become 2. 2 is less than 3. It will print third star. Again, j will become 3. 3 is less than equal to 3. This is the condition, less than equal to 3. Yes, it is. Then it will print 4 star, and j will become 4, and it will fail again, and we will point to next line, and after this we will come again here. So I will become my 4. Is 4 less than 4? No, it will fail now, and this is the output that we were targeting. So just by tweaking this particular condition, we have encountered this particular output. So it is mostly like based on the, you have to identify where you want to tweak basically, and that's how you can find out. It is just a like a, it's just a logic game basically. Let's try to code this one maybe and try to submit it. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than n I plus plus. Then again more for loop for int j equal to 0, j is less than equal to I, and j plus plus. And then we have to do system dot out dot print 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 star or asterisk, and then coming out of this loop we'll do system dot out dot println. Try to run this. Okay, it's accepting all the test cases. Now let's try to submit. Yes, it is submitted. And talking about the space complexity and time complexity. So time complexity is O of n square due to for loops, and space is going to be O of 1 here also, because we are just using some constant like variables here. That's it, no extra space. So yeah, thank you for watching this one. We'll come up with the next pattern, that is pattern 3, in the next lecture. Thank you.